how did you decide to acquire 5C, and how does this change things?
So I think, the way I'm looking at this market, and I think the way we jointly see it, is that when we look at the larger end users, be it the large sovereign projects, some of the larger frontier labs or the AI native companies, they want flexibility. They don't want to just fit into one model. They want to be able to do it many different ways. Sometimes they want to build themselves. Sometimes they want to use a provider like us. And so by acquiring the data center business and with all that capacity, we're able to address their needs across the board. And I think that's the key to really being able to land them and onboard them. The second factor is speed, right? I think we know the biggest constraint in scaling AI infrastructure, at least for the large users, is data center capacity over the next 2 years. By having this platform that has this 2 gigawatt of power, combined with Hypertex's DNA and their approach to construction, and be able to convert that power into finished data center capacity in as little as 6 months, I think we're really positioning ourselves well for those large workloads.
Right.
And finally, the third layer is cost and performance optimization. I think we have a lot of expertise in terms of optimizing compute network and storage infrastructure and really extracting the most performance out of the physical chips, right? By going down one layer in the stack on the data center level, we're integrating the design of our clusters with the data center to be able to optimize even further, which will drive cost savings, performance gains, and again, more speed to market. So for me, I think these are essential elements for us to both be successful in being able to really bring on and really expand with the largest users in the market. I don't know what you think of that.
Yeah, no, I think when we started talking earlier this year and talking about putting 100,000 chips in the ground, that this was the biggest question of where the data center capacity and concentrated sort of contiguous capacity for something like this would come from, and it seems like this is the answer.
Yeah, 2 gigawatts. It can go up to 1 million chips, right? So I think we can do a lot together with that. And if you look at the requirements we're hearing about now, which were a lot bigger than the requirements we heard a couple of years ago, 36,000 chips is no longer a huge number. You're seeing way larger clusters being deployed. And I think we have a platform now to be able to address those needs. But I want to be clear, it's not only in a full kind of traditional, bare metal fashion. It's going beyond that, right? In terms of being able to offer the data center layer and really customize for these purpose-built clusters.